So for this problem, so a factory sells shoes for 7,000 pesos. Then due to the rising cost, they increase the price by 6%. So however, to boost the sales, they offered a 9% discount on the new price. So what is the final selling price? So first, we need to solve for the new price. So from the original price, that's 7,000 pesos, then times 1, since increased by, so this one is plus, the rate is 6%, so convert this one to decimal, so this is 0.06. So therefore, the new price, so we have 1 plus 0.06, then equals, then times 7,000 pesos. So the new price is 7,420. So this is now the new price, 7,420 pesos. Then this time we can find now the selling price. So to solve for the selling price, so from the new price, 7,420 then times 1, since discounted, so minus the rate 0.09. So therefore the selling price equals, so we have 1 minus 0.09 equals then times 7,420. So therefore the selling price is 6,752.20 pesos. So this is 6,722.20 pesos.